Naturally, we're going to make steak and egg fried rice next, as I have some leftovers from the steak from my last video. The base is basically egg fried rice with some protein in it. You can put anything. It doesn't have to be steak, just anything you have left over. That's the beauty of fried rice. No exact measurements for this, but I will leave what I used in the description below. We're going to start off with some rice, eggs, soy sauce, green onions, salt and pepper, and whatever protein you have left over. In this case, I got steak.
Alright, we're going to start off with some cooking oil. Swirl it around just to cover up the whole pan. Put in your eggs. The eggs doesn't have to be perfect, just swirl them around. It's good if you have a good amount of whites and some yellows. And then you can add in your steak. As you've noticed, I've cut them up into little bite-sized pieces. Set the eggs and steak on the side of the pan, and then add in your rice.
You can use a chopping motion or the back of your spoon to separate the rice. Now you can add in your soy sauce, and your pepper. Notice that I put in the soy sauce on the sides of the pan. That ensures that the flavor of the soy sauce wouldn't be in one isolated place. Just continue to mix them around and make sure that every single rice is coated by the soy sauce. Quick tip, if you can't toss your rice, you can just move the pan forwards and backwards in a quick motion. Last thing you need to put in the fried rice would be your vegetables. In this case, we have green onions. Give it a couple minutes and it's done. Ready to serve. And just like always, like, comment, and subscribe.